This winter season so far has been the coldest we've had in 30 years, and our Storm Tracker 16 team says the wind chill will make Saturday the coldest day of the year.
We've really been closely monitoring this storm for a couple of days. We're expecting extremely cold temperature and strong winds throughout the territory.
Widespread wind gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour are expected, with some areas topping 60 miles per hour, potentially knocking out power.
There are a series of things that can occur when we have extreme weather. Many times, the number one reason that a customer will experience an outage is because trees will fall on poles and wires.
Which is why PPL Electric Utilities keeps crews on standby.
We make sure that we have additional field crews in the field, making sure that they're ready and available to respond to any outages. We stage equipment throughout the territory so that our crews have the equipment they need.
But sometimes outages are unavoidable, so just in case,
make sure that you have flashlights on hand. Make sure that if you have a generator, you keep it outside. Make sure that you have all your electronics charged and ready. Make sure that you have water and food.
And if you do have an outage, PPL encourages you to go to their website and sign up for alerts.
And when you sign up for alerts, as soon as you experience an outage, we will send you an alert and let you know. And we'll also give you an estimated restoration time.
Audie Iyer, Newswatch 16.